Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reply to a specific message in Google Messages. As of May 2025, Google Messages enables users to reply directly to specific messages within a conversation, enhancing clarity in group chats and lengthy threads. Now, this feature is available when RCS, which is Rich Communication Services, is enabled for both sender and recipient. So how do you do that? First, open the Google Messages app on your Android device. Navigate to the conversation containing the message you wish to reply to. Locate the specific message you intend to respond to. So let's say this is it. Now swipe right on the message. This action will bring up the original message above the text input field, indicating that your reply will be linked to it. Then type your response in the text field and tap the send icon to dispatch your reply. Now you see when I swiped right, there was nothing showed, nothing worked. That's because I have not enabled my RCS. And how do you enable it? I'm going all the way back to here. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then select message settings. And in message settings, select RCS chat. Click on it. Toggle this on and follow the prompt to verify. Ensure that RCS is enabled for both you and the recipient. The swipe right gesture is the primary method for initiating a specific reply. So while some users have reported alternative methods, such as long pressing the message, these may not be consistently available across all devices and app versions. Alright, so that's pretty much how it works. The ability to reply to specific messages is only available in RCS chats. So if either party is using SMS or MMS, this feature will not be accessible. Now ensure that both you and your contact have RCS features enabled in Google Messages settings, and features may vary based on device model and app version. So always keep your app updated to the latest version for optimal functionality. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps in. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.